Hello, my name is Alan Warren. I'm a Blackhawk Museum member. This is my 1933 Ford pickup. This car I traded for one of my old cars when I was 18 years old, built it to where it was a driver with mechanical brakes and original drivetrain. Sold it when I was 20 because my wife wanted it sold. So I sold it, 3 months later got rid of her. 10 years later, refound the car with my new wife on a road trip on Father's Day. I wasn't going to stop. She said, "You'll regret it." So we stopped. I bought the car back. I've rebuilt it from the ground up since. It's a 1933 Ford, 1949 flathead. It's an S10 5-speed Borg-Warner T5 transmission. It's a 72 disc brake Lincoln rear end. The 84 S10 tranny gives it lots of road speed. In fifth gear, I can do 75, 80 miles an hour just at a little over $3,000. Runs nice and cool. When I bought it back, it was in very poor shape. So I took the body completely off, did all my major changes, and then powder coated the whole entire frame. Then powder coated the body after doing some minor repairs, not knowing how good the powder coat would be, thinking it would be my primer. It ends up being nice enough that I like it the way it is. The flatbed I built because I didn't like the bed that it had, and built it with a trunk so that I have space for chairs and coolers. The hood ornament is a laid down V8 with flames on it, all done in stainless steel, all cut with a plasma cutter. The third brake light is plasma cut out into the frame. Other modifications really are just building the bed with side lights in it because there's no side markers on those year trucks. Well, when I built it, the doors were left off because they were in rough shape and they needed a lot of repair. And I find that I like driving it without doors because it gives me more arm room because they were never a very big car. Fenders I put on and then decided I wasn't real thrilled about those either. I'm not sure how to finish off the running boards to the frame, but I will. This, when I was 18 years old, was a hobby. It turned into a 37-year career as an equipment mechanic. I continue to work on all my cars. I have several. And that's what got me into building this whole truck all on my own, no outside help other than the powder coating. Even rebuilt my own engine.